Machine learning is reshaping our world from healthcare to finance by teaching computers to make smart decisions. Today, let's dive deep into how machine learning works. At its core, machine learning is a fascinating branch of artificial intelligence that empowers algorithms to recognize intricate patterns and predict outcomes without the need for explicit programming. Instead of being manually coded for each task, these algorithms learn and improve from historical data. This process involves feeding vast amounts of data into the system, allowing it to identify trends and make informed decisions. Whether it's predicting stock market trends, recognizing speech, or recommending products, machine learning is revolutionizing how we interact with technology. By understanding these basics, we can appreciate the profound impact it has on our daily lives and future innovations. The machine learning process starts with data collection and ends with deploying a trained model to make real-world decisions. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, where the model learns from labeled data provided by humans. This type is often used in applications like image recognition and spam detection. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, finds hidden patterns or intrinsic structures in input data that is not labeled. It is commonly used for clustering and association tasks. Lastly, reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by taking actions in an environment to maximize some notion of cumulative reward. This is widely used in robotics, gaming, and navigation systems. Each type has its unique applications and benefits, making machine learning a versatile and powerful tool in various fields. Machine learning applications are everywhere, enhancing patient care, securing transactions, personalizing shopping, driving autonomous vehicles, and predicting maintenance in manufacturing. Despite its benefits, machine learning faces challenges like data privacy concerns, the need for vast training data, and the potential for biased outcomes. Machine learning is a dynamic field that continues to evolve, pushing the boundaries of technology and making it an integral part of solving complex problems and enhancing our digital interactions. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, machine learning applications are transforming industries. Researchers are constantly developing new algorithms and models to improve accuracy and efficiency. Scientists are delving into the ethical implications and ensuring responsible use. Developers are creating innovative solutions that were once thought impossible. As we look to the future, the potential for machine learning to revolutionize our world is limitless, promising advancements that will shape the way we live, work, and connect. Interested in the future of AI and machine learning? Subscribe and hit the bell for more insights and updates.